Yo Novatos, thanks again for tuning in to yet another video. We are doing a quick unboxing. These are the Motorsport, knockoffs, foot pegs from Amazon. So let's go ahead and take a look at them real quick. I don't know if I did an unboxing. No, I don't believe I have. But as you can see, the quality's pretty good. I mean, I am impressed. It's light. I do believe this is alloy, all alloy build. My only concern would be this point or this bolt, as you can see inside. I think this is probably the weak point of this foot peg. So I have the Flo-Motorsport foot pegs on my Lowrider S. So this is gonna be for, as you can see, the Sportster. And yeah, I already have a few things installed. We're gonna go ahead and remove these, put these on there, and then give them a try. As you can see, looks like we are gonna have to adjust these. We will have to change the placement because it's gonna be angled. We need them to be kind of like this. So let's go ahead and take off the stock foot pegs. Get yourself some needle nose pliers or some snap ring pliers, correct term. And let's look for these is that it right there? I don't know, I can't see shit. Well, it's alright, so just go ahead, take off the snap ring, pop that up just like that. That comes off. Let's go ahead and slide this old foot peg right out there. Just go ahead, slide this new one, put that in there. Ooh, that is tight. Let's see, let's match up that hole right there. Slide that back down there. Let's use this. Here, let's see. Let's get a better look at this. That looks about straight. There we go. Line up that hole. Put this back in there. And that's it. Alright, let's move on to the other side. The left side. And then of course we will have to adjust these because my foot's gonna be like this. I'm not gonna be able to reach the foot peg. I mean the brake pedal. Leave that in there. Push this up. Let's see. There we go. Pull that out. Get that old one out. Alright, let's put in that new. Alright, make sure the hole lines up. Right there, as you can see. Slide back that in there. Give it a little bit of a tap. No. Alright, let's see. This has to line up. This should line up right there. There we go. Give it a little bit of a tap. That's down there. Put that back in there. Alright, so I went ahead and I loosened. It's got teeth on the inside. You can feel it. You see how it kind of locks into place? It's got little teeth on the inside to kind of hold it down. And this is where we want them. Right about right there. So let's go ahead and lock that in. Feel a little loose. So you know what? I'm just going to undo it. Alright, we got some Loctite in there. Hopefully that helps. Let's go ahead and now tighten this, of course. That's it, of course. Have to adjust this. Let's look at it. Oh man, yeah, I gotta lift that up. And man, these things, whoo, that grips. That grips. So let's go ahead and adjust the shifter. Right there. No. Higher. We'll try it out just like this, put some miles on it, and we'll see how she feels after a couple hundred miles. If I have to, I'll probably just give it a little bit more of a raise. I'll raise it up by a little bit more, and then we'll go from there. Like I said, I'm going to try this out for a couple miles, and then we'll go from there. So, you know, that's how you install these foot pegs. They look pretty good. Like I said, I mean, the build quality looks pretty good. I just don't know about this little weak point right here. That, you know, that feels like this is something that would potentially break. I do stand on my foot pegs a lot. On my Lowrider S, on my Flo-Motorsport, I stand on them all the time. So we're just gonna have to see how these kind of hold up. And I mean, they're only 30 bucks. So Amazon installation. You guys just stay out there, stay safe, don't believe everything you read. Life's a risk, get out there and ride.